Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to create a Teams meeting and change your Teams meeting video background. So what you can do is, if you go into your calendar, create a meeting. Now work teams can be a little bit different but roughly the same. What I would be doing is giving it a title, then sending an invite. I'll send it to myself. Okay, there we go. And then if you're happy with that, I mean this is just a test, so it is what it is, and you hit that and then it'll do that. You can copy it or whatnot, close, and that's the meeting there. What I would do then is hit join. Now you can see the camera's being turned off, but what we can do is we can turn it on. You can see me and whatnot, and you can see that stuff in the background, whatever that is. What we need to do then is click on background filters, and you can see that that's happened there. You can do the blur thing, so if you want to blur the background you can do that. So you can do standard blur, and they've got a bunch of options there. But if you've got a company background, click on add new, and then what you would do is, if you've got a picture saved, I would be going into that location. So I just choose that one. You can see that that's been added there. That's down the bottom. And then if you're happy with that, you would just hit join now the meeting. And you can see that I've joined my own meeting with the background that I want. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.